The truth is that as a doctor who has a lot of years, maybe 20 years of experience in vaginal plastic surgery, I was wondering if it's worthwhile for me to come to the ECAMS course. And in the end, I decided to come to learn some things that I don't really know new till today. And you can really get here some, even when you're a very experienced doctor, you can get here some tips and tricks and advance yourself and really profit from this course. For sure, if you're a novice and you didn't do anything till now, it's an amazing place to learn. The doctors that are brought here to teach us are really knowledgeable, and they have a lot of experience, and you can really ask them any question and get answers to every problem you have, even how to market yourself for those who are novice in this field. So in summary, I think it's an amazing course for somebody who wants to start his way in plastic gynecology, surgical and non-surgical. But even for experienced doctors, with a lot of experience, you can still get out of here and say, wow, I got some few tricks and things that I didn't know before, and feel much better in the operating theater later.
It's difficult to find a course that will really give you very prominent speaker, give you a lot of practical lesson. So this is what I found ECAM to be very attractive. So I get to get all the knowledge from an expert in this field of aesthetic gynecology. I have 8 cases to practice on, which is extremely beneficial and give me a lot of confidence when I go back to Singapore to practice.
It's the first time that I participate in ECAMS course. It was great success. Because I had the opportunity to learn from specialized new techniques about aesthetic gynecology, and they perform in front of my eyes. I had the opportunity to have a hands-on course, and all these only 2 days. I don't know how to express my gratitude to all of the team here. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to meet you to the next course.
I would like to thank you. It's an honor for me to get a chance to join this course, because this course is very worth it for me to increase my skill.
An amazing course, and I am able to learn more things about genital aesthetic operations, even though I do this type of operation for more than 20 years. So I advise all of my colleagues, my gynecologists, to attend this type of course. I think that it's very, very helpful for everybody and gynecologists.
那这是我第2次来，就是上 ECAMS 的课，然后而且就是第1次是维也纳，在3年前吧，然后跟这一次的课。上的其实是同一个 topic， 但是因为不同的老师他有不同的专长，所以讲的东西不一样，而且就是专门在做的选的手术的 case 跟手术的内容其实也不一样。觉得即使是我第2次来同一个课程的内容，我觉得收获还是非常多。
The trainers are awesome.
就是介绍大家来参加这样的课程，因为其实我们的讲师都很愿意做分享，然后其实在手术的部分还有非手术的部分，其实都是分享的非常详细哦。